We'll guide you through how to make an Instagram account when you already have one. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So you already have an Instagram account, but you want to go and make another. Maybe you want to go make a page for your business or just another personal page. It doesn't matter. To go and do this, all you need to do is come to your Instagram profile page by clicking on the profile button in the bottom right. Then all you need to do is go to the top right and go and click on the three lines like so. This will open up your settings and activity. Then all you need to do is go and scroll down like so until you go and see the option add account right at the bottom in the login section. Click there, and what you can then do is click on create new account. Now what you can do is choose a username for your new account. So I'm going to go and type in GuideRealm Tucker, just like so. Then it's going to go and see if it's available, as all usernames have to be unique. If you're happy with it, you can click on next. Then what you need to do is go and create a password. Now you've got the option if you want to go and use the email address from your other Instagram account, which is already on this device, or you can go and add a new phone number or email address. It's going to be up to you. So make your choice here and you can then continue and you'll have got your new Instagram account. If you found this useful, then leave a like.